We got Ellie's Pancake House, $7, 3 miles. Never seen this parking lot this full. Took me 5-10 minutes to get a parking spot just to get the order. Now we're going 2.5 miles north to drop this off. Cool. While we were delivering that, we got a stack $16 for 7 miles. We're starting out at Einstein Bagels. Donut in Niles, 1.8 miles for the second pickup.
To your drop off at 15.
Now we're going 2.4 miles to deliver this. This bagel better be very good. It's an onion bagel with onion and chive schmear toasted, and that's all she ordered. No coffee, no nothing. Just a bagel with onion and some schmear. Now we're going another 2.4 miles to drop off the Joe Donut order. If we can get out of this alley. What the heck? This alley is skinnier than the regular alleys around here. Right now I turned on DoorDash. There's some availability in my area, and there's a $1.50 bonus for every delivery today until 1. Look at this.
In 0.7 mile, take right exit 81A toward Illinois 43 Harlem Avenue using the right lane.
Now we got 13 bucks for 5 miles. We're picking up some liquor. So it's only 2 items, 2 bottles of tequila. Nice. I was afraid it was gonna be 2 36 packs
Turn left on
of
West
beer.
Ardmore Avenue, then turn right.
4 miles to drop this off. Oh, it's over. Oh, it's right there. All right, we got Baya's or Bia's Cafe. We're going 9 bucks for 4 miles. Now we're going 4 miles to deliver this Cuban food. They had 9 items. Car smells so good right now. These sandwiches smells amazing. Meet at the door. There you go, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Now we're going to Jewel. It's $13 for 5 miles. But it's 14 items. And I'm hoping it's not 14 cases of water. I would be really disappointed. Going 1.9 miles to deliver this. It's a house. Thank God. So I just scanned all the barcodes. Now I gotta rescan all of them. Hold on. This scanning thing takes so much time. We got one for $8, 2 miles, I think. $8, 2 miles. At the He Burritos place over here on Harlem. Hopefully it's not busy. Otherwise we're waiting a while. So we're going 3 miles down to Oak Park to deliver the Puerto Rican food. Hello there. Is this Sheridan?
Yeah.
Okay.
They just changed the name about a week ago.
I'm like, I'm in the wrong place. There's no room number or anything. It's just,
Okay, it's probably for one of the employees, I bet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me just message the person. Nilda?
No. Okay.
Oh, I need the PIN number. Let me call her. Thank you, though.
Yeah, no worries.
Now, when we just left it there at the front desk, and now we have McDonald's order 7 for 3 miles. That's where we're going now. That's where we're going now. Alright, we got McDonald's $7 for 3 miles. We're going 1.6 miles to drop off the McDonald's order. She ordered, or he ordered, 2 Big Macs and 2 10-piece chicken nuggets, sweet and sour sauce and honey mustard. Sounds like a dinner date. This next one is probably our last
Turn
one.
right onto Ainsley Street. Then, in 300 feet, turn left.
We're going to Portillo's. $10, 4 miles. Hello there.
Have a great day.
Food pickup. The guy was bagging up our order. They're really busy in there today. So now we're doing 3.5 miles to drop off this order. Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Gracias.
Gracias.
All done for today.